What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, my hair has been straight for a whole month and a few days, so I decided to switch it up with this super cute and fun jumbo braided ponytail. Guys, if you like the hairstyle at the end of this video, please be sure to subscribe. Also, let me know if you like the video by giving me a thumbs up, and don't forget the post notifications button. That is always important, so that way you guys can get notified whenever I upload. And we're just gonna get right into this video. Alright, so first things first, we're going to start off by spritzing our hair with some water, and we're going to do that to the whole perimeter, and we're going to comb that through just because we want that ponytail as sleek as possible. Then I'm going to be taking the Mielle Edge Gel and putting that in the front and on the back of my hair, the perimeter once again, because like I said, we want it as sleek as possible, and I feel like an edge control will have these edges and everything laid. Alright, so now that we've finessed the sleekness of this ponytail both with a comb and a boar bristle brush, what you want to do is take the Kanekalon Hair out of the packaging and tie it up in a ponytail holder, so that way you can attach that onto your ponytail. Alright, so pretty much when you're connecting the ponytail holder to the Kanekalon Hair, what you want it to look like is what it looks like coming out of the packaging on the rubber band. So pretty much if you look at it before you even take it out of the packaging, that's how you want your ponytail holder to look, so that way you can attach it to your hair. Y'all got that? Alright, so now that you got the hair in place, what you want to do is divide it into 3 sections, so that way you can start your braid, and then you're just going to intertwine your hair with the Kanekalon Hair and then just start your braid there. Now what you want to put on the end is completely up to you. I chose to do a mustard colored ponytail holder because I was wearing a mustard colored shirt. So you guys, it's definitely up to you depending on what you want to use to secure the ends of your hair. Alright, so what we're doing now is we're starting from the bottom and working our way up to the top by loosening the braid, so that way it looks a little bit messier kind of, and it looks thicker as well. And then we're gonna fix those edges a little bit, and then you're done. You're basically done with this look. Guys, like I said in the beginning, I do hope you like this hairstyle. It definitely was super cute. I didn't think it would look this good, but I gotta say for myself, it came out pretty good. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one.